Hey there, wealth builders! It's Sir, back with another fun money lesson for young wealth builders. Today we're talking about something super important when it comes to building wealth, assets. But, what's an asset? Let's find out together. Think of an asset like a treasure. It's something you own that can help you make money or bring you value. Assets can be things that you can touch, like a toy you could sell for more money one day, or things you can't touch, like money in a bank account that grows over time. Here's an example. Imagine you have a bike, and you start renting it out to other kids in your neighborhood when you're not using it. The money you make is thanks to your asset, the bike. Cool, right? Assets can be lots of things. They can be businesses you own, money you save, or even things like art and toys if they can be sold for more money later. The important thing is that they bring value and help you build your wealth. But remember, not everything is an asset. If something loses its value quickly, like a candy you eat or a broken toy, it's not an asset because it can't help grow your wealth. Knowing the difference between an asset and other things can help you make smart choices with your money. To sum it up, an asset is anything you own that can make money or grow in value over time. The more good assets you have, the more you can grow your wealth. Pretty awesome, right? Thanks for learning about assets with me today, future wealth builders. Remember to keep your eyes open for assets in your life. See you next time for another fun money lesson here on Young Wealth Builders. Bye for now.